Welcome to this tutorial on using different time levels in a planning view. You will see how to change the time granularity in an SAP IBP planning view so the displayed periods match the analysis you want to perform. First, review what time settings control. They let you choose the required time granularity, define how many periods are displayed, and decide whether the planning horizon uses a fixed time or rolling time window. Next, remember what time levels mean in the SAP IBP Excel add-in. Time levels control how period buckets are displayed for time series data, and available levels can include day, technical week, month, quarter, and year, depending on your system configuration. Now, in the Open Planning View workbook, go to the SAP IBP ribbon. The Planning View group is displayed, and the Edit button is highlighted. Click Edit to change the settings of the current planning view. After clicking Edit, the Edit Planning View window opens on the Time Settings page. The current time level is shown as week, with a rolling range from week 23, 2026 to week 21, 2028. Click the Time Level drop-down to choose a different level. After opening the drop-down, the available time levels are displayed, including day, week technical, week, month, quarter, and year. Select Month to change the planning view from weekly buckets to monthly buckets. After selecting Month, the Time Settings row updates to show month, and the range changes to monthly periods, such as June 2026 through May 2028. Click OK to apply the updated planning view settings. After clicking OK, the worksheet refreshes with monthly period columns. In this example, the first visible period is June 2026, and the selected value is shown under that monthly bucket. In summary, using different time levels in a planning view starts by opening the current view for editing, then changing the time level field, and finally confirming the settings so the worksheet displays the updated period buckets. The exact available time levels, dates, and planning data may vary by planning area, template, and system setup. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.